Hi, I'm here to talk about this directional feeder, the Moultrie motor. This one is exactly like any other Moultrie motor you've had on any Moultrie feeder. What's really neat is the only difference, the programming's the same, the only difference is it shoots it out one direction. So if you have a tripod feeder, if you have a hanging feeder, if you have one you strap to a tree, a 15 gallon, because they make a 5 gallon, if you have any of those, you can put this on and point it towards your pond or an area you don't, like if you don't want pigs underneath, you're tired of pigs underneath your tripod, you can shoot this out and it'll shoot the corn or shoot your fish food into the direction you want. This is really neat. You would save yourself some money by just buying this as opposed to buying a whole new feeder setup. When you put this motor up on your hanging feeder, you actually have to make sure this directional shooting port is the direction you want. So you have to line it up. Like I want it right behind me. So I am going to line it up here because back behind me is my field. And so it's going to be shooting out that direction, which is perfect because I'm going to actually stand in a tree that direction. So I'll be completely away from where this is shooting at. I hook these alligator clips up. Okay. Once that's done, then we are ready to program. It is 7:58. Get you one of these and get shooting directional.
Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.